Looking for the perfect Valentine's gift for your partner? Wondering how to make this day unforgettable? We have 7 fabulous ideas just for you. Valentine's Day is more than just a celebration of love. It's about cherishing the bond you share with your partner and expressing your gratitude in the most thoughtful way possible. A well-chosen gift can speak volumes about your feelings. So let's embark on this quest for the perfect Valentine's gift together. Stay tuned as we unravel 7 unique and thoughtful gift ideas to express your love this Valentine's Day. First on our list is personalized gifts. Nothing screams special like a gift made just for your partner. Personalized gifts are not just objects. They are emotions shaped into a tangible form. They tell a story, your story. Imagine gifting a custom piece of jewelry, each charm symbolizing a milestone in your journey together, or a photo album capturing your shared moments. Maybe a monogrammed item that subtly whispers their name. A personalized gift is a beautiful way to show your partner that you know them intimately and cherish your shared memories. Next, consider experience gifts. After all, they say experiences are more memorable than material possessions. Imagine the joy of a shared cooking class where you and your partner can stir up more than just delicious dishes. Or picture a breathtaking hot air balloon ride, floating above the world in a peaceful embrace. Perhaps a wine tasting tour, savoring the flavors of love in every sip. An experience gift will provide unforgettable memories and a unique shared experience. Our third idea is subscription services, a gift that keeps on giving. Imagine the joy of a monthly surprise, like a book club subscription for your bookworm partner, or a gourmet food delivery for the foodie in your life. If your partner is a movie buff, a streaming service subscription could be just the ticket. These services offer continuous excitement and anticipation. Subscription services are a wonderful way to surprise your partner, not just on Valentine's Day, but every month. Fourth on our list is DIY gifts, a heartfelt and personal option. The charm of these gifts lies in their uniqueness and the personal touch they bring. Imagine gifting your partner a handmade card filled with your shared memories. Or how about a mixtape of songs that define your relationship? Better yet, surprise them with a home-cooked meal, their favorite dishes made with love. Nothing can beat the charm of these DIY gifts. A DIY gift shows your partner that you are willing to invest time and effort into making their day special. Fifth, consider luxury gifts. Sometimes a little splurge can go a long way. Luxury gifts have a unique appeal. They whisper of opulence and dedication. Imagine the joy of unboxing a piece of designer clothing, or the thrill of exploring a high-end gadget. Perhaps a spa day that melts all the stress away. These are not just gifts, they are experiences wrapped in elegance. They say, you're worth every penny. A luxury gift can make your partner feel pampered and appreciated in a grand way. Sixth on our list is the gift of time. Because nothing says I love you like quality time together. In the hustle and bustle of life, taking a step back to cherish the moments with your partner is priceless. Consider whisking them away on a romantic getaway, or maybe plan a cozy movie night at home. Surprise dates also add a fun twist to the ordinary. Remember, it's not about grand gestures, but the shared laughter, the shared silence, the shared love. The gift of time is a testament to your commitment and love for your partner. Lastly, remember that the perfect gift is not about the price tag, but the thought behind it. From personalized presents, unique experiences, subscription services, DIY gifts, to luxury items and the priceless gift of time, there's a wealth of options to show your love. Select what resonates most with your partner's interests and preferences. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect Valentine's gift for your partner. Remember, it's the thought that counts. Happy Valentine's Day!